Welcome everybody. In this lesson I'm going to teach you a circle equation. It seems a little bit hard and difficult stuff, but when we look at an xy coordinate, this coordinate plane will help us to learn better. So there's a point and we need the length, which is radius, half of a diameter. Yes, let's say this point is 3 and 2. X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 2. Looking at the shape, looking at the coordinate plane, you'll see 3 units to the right, 2 units up. So point is there, and I'm deciding that my radius is 3 units. And if I turn this radius around the point, I'm trying to turn it around the point, twirling around the point, but it's not that easy. I'm trying to show you. What I mean is we are going to form a circle. After turning this stick, let me put it well, by the way. Yes, this is 3 unit radius. So this 3 unit radius will help us, when you turn this radius around the point. Of course, the tip of the radius will show me that, XY points. All points is has xy coordinate. All points in this shape or around that point, around the point 3, 2, all points form a circle. Now I'm putting lots of points there, and as you see that we form a circle. 3 units up, 3 units down, 3 units to the right, 3 units to the left. We form a circle. So everybody, what we need to understand is we need radius and a point to form a circle. Radius and a point to form a circle. So that point must be a center, of course, center of the circle. And we call that point as a circle. And that point is 3, 2. And if I pick any point on this circumference, as you know, guys, you are expected to know circumference and some stuff about circle. So if you pick any point on circumference, that point is the distance between that point and our center point is radius. So if we use Pythagoras theorem, remember guys, one side square plus another side square will be the hypotenuse square. The hypotenuse square. So to find one side is vertically y minus 2 squared plus horizontally the length, to find the length, x minus 3 squared. So it doesn't matter guys, x and 3, you can change the places, but you're taking the square of that number, so negative or positive doesn't matter. So x minus 3 squared equals r squared. This is Pythagoras. So y minus squared plus x minus 3 squared equals r, is we set 3 units, so 3 squared. So this is the equation of our circle equation. That's it. Okay, let's solve a couple of examples. Center is -4 and 5, radius is 6. So we are going to turn this radius, half of the diameter, around the center, and we are going to form a circle. The center is -4 and 5. So those points, when you draw, and if you draw a line passing through those points, you're going to form a circle, of course. And that, equation of the circle, yes, the equation of the circle will be, and x, we're going to subtract x, we're going to subtract -4 from x. So x minus -4. So I recommend you to use, using parentheses for negative numbers. So I'm drawing this blue line. This blue side is, y minus 5. The length of the blue line is y minus 5. And I'm going to draw another red line segment, or you just say side. So this side is x minus -4 will give you the length of the red line. So, using Pythagoras theorem, 6 squared equals x minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 6 squared. This is Pythagoras theorem. This is a triangle. As you see, it looks like a triangle. It's already a triangle, right triangle. So the equation of the circle is x plus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared. These are the sides, equals 36. Let's look at another question, another example. So example 2, x plus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 9. So we subtract, x plus 5. Of course, we subtract minus 5 from x. We subtract minus 5 from x. So the x coordinate of the center is minus 5. Do not forget that, guys. We subtract, so it seems x plus 5, but we subtract minus 5. So we subtract 4 from y. So y coordinate of the center, is, of course, 4. So the point, guys, the center point have an x and y coordinate, which is -5 and -5 and 4. Okay, guys, x plus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals r squared. So r squared is 9. Radius is 3. Okay, let's show another example. This example is very similar to the previous one, but we have to pay attention that what we subtract from x and y coordinate. This is very, very important because you may get confused with negative sign, because we subtract 3 root 5 from x, and so the coordinate of the x coordinate or the coordinate of the center, x coordinate of the center is 3 root 5. And also looking at the second square, which is y plus root 5, so we subtract negative root 5. We subtract negative root 5 from y. We subtract negative root 5 from y. Please pay attention here. Notice this is very important. Then the coordinate, the y coordinate of the center is negative root 5 or minus root 5. So the coordinate of the center is, the coordinates of the center is 3 root 5 and negative root 5. Guys, radius, of course, looking at the equation, radius is r squared equals 27, and you can find easily the r is 3 root 7. It's up to you guys. You're gonna find by yourself.